Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, did it yesterday, and after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made as the chart continues to chip away. I wouldn't exactly call these price movements explosive, but it's been kind of a slow, quiet, steady little grind. I mean, it's kind of crazy to think that just back here on the 6th, the price was all the way down here below 480, and over time, it's just, like I said, slowly, quietly grinded its way back upwards. No massive explosive moves, just a steady base of those higher lows, and as long as higher lows are built, as I've said numerous times in past videos, then everything else takes care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance, and that once again, played out today as the price built those higher bases, and then all of a sudden, you look and the price is at highs that haven't been seen for a while. So with that being said, one of the new areas of support and what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? That would be if the price can stay above this previous breakout point here at the $6 mark. Now, with that being said, if the price does drop below 6, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart's broken or anything like that. Because like I said, as long as the price is building those higher bases, that's what you want. A very easy way to measure if whether or not the price is building higher bases is just to watch that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So really in a very straightforward manner, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? That is what's being represented. Now, if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 7 minutes after buying, well, yeah, for you, you probably don't care about that purple line, but I'm definitely making these comments for more so just the general charting perspective. So, like I said, ideally stay above 6, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, as of right now, key mark right up there around $6.25. You can see multiple times today, price tried to get up through that level and just couldn't quite do it. So I'm not saying the price can't break through it or anything like that. I'm just saying that as far as the story that the chart is telling us, apparently the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to fight above 625 and then stay up above it. But all in all, keep chipping away at those higher bases like it's been doing, and the chart will continue to take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.